Hey guys, I'm Tanya, a fashion designer. Today I want to show you my brand new dress. So here's the sketch I started with, and then here's what I had in mind. This dress has a wrap-style bodice, gathered sleeve caps, elastic sleeve hems, and an asymmetrical skirt with this cute little ruffle at the bottom. Designed for lightweight woven fabrics with that gorgeous drape, this pattern is perfect for everyday wear, vacations, summer events, or just adding a little romance to your wardrobe. So guys, what do you think? You feeling this design? These are digital patterns in PDF format, with a full set of instructions included. I'd go with lightweight fabrics like Viscose Rayon, Rayon Challis, lightweight Crepe, soft Cotton Voile, lightweight Jacquard, textured polyester, soft linen blends, or lightweight textured wovens. Those are my top picks for this one. You can print the patterns on regular A4 or US letter size paper on your home printer, or go with A0 on a plotter. Totally up to you. The pattern comes with detailed step-by-step instructions, so even beginners can totally handle it. There's also a full list of all the pattern pieces, so you won't get confused. And right here on this page, I show you an example of an efficient layout to save on fabric. And of course, the sewing sequence. What to stitch and in what order. Just a heads up, seam allowances are not included in the patterns, so you'll need to add those yourself before cutting your fabric. The patterns come in 6 sizes. You can easily find your size right from this chart. Let's talk colors. I personally love soft, delicate shades, but as you can see, it also looks amazing in classic black. What's your favorite color for this dress? Let me know in the comments. The link is in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.